as part of the Bharatmala project, the Government of India wants to connect industrial hubs, underdeveloped areas with the ports to speed up industrial development and to promote exports and to evacuate cargo faster. దీనికి సంబంధించి ది వైజాగ్ రాయ్పూర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్వే 20,000 కోట్లు the Government of India has spent 20,000 crores on the Vizag Raipur expressway. You will be surprised. And it is 90% complete. Next year, 2026, it is scheduled for inauguration. This 3 states ni connect chestandi. 3 hinterlands of the states, the forest lands, the tribal areas, and the ports to spur economic growth and to create more employment. Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh. 3 states. 14-13 గంటలు పట్టింది, ఇప్పుడు 6 అవర్స్లో కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. You are cutting the travel time by whopping 7 to 8 hours అండి. ఈ హైవే ఆపరేషన్లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత యువర్ ట్రావెల్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ కట్ బై 7 to 8 hours. ఇది ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో 100 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉందండి. సబ్వరం విశాఖపట్నం పోర్ట్ నుంచి ఈ రాయపూర్ వరకు కనెక్ట్ అవుతుందండి వయా ఒరిస్సా. ఒరిస్సాలో 240 కిలోమీటర్స్. ఇట్ కట్స్ త్రూ ఒరిస్సా ఫారెస్ట్ బై 240 కిలోమీటర్స్. అండ్ ఛత్తీస్గఢ్లో కూడా 124 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉందండి. సో ఛత్తీస్గఢ్లో 124, ఒరిస్సాలో 240 and Visakhapatnam 100 kilometers. Total 464 kilometers expressway and that is cutting travelling time by 7 hours and distance also by more than 130 kilometers and par route to compare cheste. This is the beauty. Dinvalla complete upliftment of every area happens because of the rapid development. The specialty on both sides they are planting 30,000 trees and especially in the forest regions so that there's a noise barrier also. They created noise barriers and also tunnels for especially for the animals pass chestaki, animal underpasses ani, monkey ki special zones ani, where monkeys can easily cross over without getting hurt. Noise barriers, 30,000 trees and tunnels for animal passes. Other specialty of this thing. Inkokati pedda specialty ante other than movement of cargo and cutting travel time, there are several tourist destinations along this route which everybody would love to see, starting from our Aruku, scenic Aruku Valley, and wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in Orissa and Chhattisgarh. The Ambapani Wildlife Sanctuary, this is in Orissa and this is 978 kilometers of lush forest and grasslands and it is a home for a diverse range of flora and fauna. There are elephants, tigers, leopards, sloth bears and various species of deers in this wildlife sanctuary. The key features ante meer elte akkada meer em enjoy cheyandi. There are elephant rides and generally elephant rides are very difficult. Here it is very easy. You can do trekking and hiking. There is a wildlife viewing spot for barking deer, leopards and wild boars, and there is a bird watching and there are over 200 varieties